Good afternoon, students. So in our last class, we were discussing about group discussion. So in our last class, we were discussing about group discussion. In our today's class, will continue with customer care and customer relations in your communication skills. So this customer care and customer relationship, these are the very essential concepts of communication skills, especially when we are talking about business and service industries. Okay. So effective communication, it helps you to build your business in a long-term relationship with your customers, leading to customer satisfaction, loyalty, and a positive brand image. Okay. Now, basically, what does this customer care refers to? Okay. Customer care refers to the support and assistance provided to customers before, during, and after purchasing a product or services. It focuses on ensuring a positive customer experience and resolving any issues that arise. Okay, I'll give you a small example. For example, a customer is trying to visit a clothing store. Okay, and there the salesperson greets them very warmly. Okay, and also the salesperson will try to find the right size. Okay, and follows up unless and until you finish your purchase, that is after the purchase, to ensure your satisfaction. This is nothing but how how the salesperson is taking care of the customer. Okay. Another term is a customer relation. Okay. Customer relation is a long-term process of managing interactions and relationships with the customer to foster trust and loyalty. Okay. Basically, there's a customer involved, this customer relationship that involves to build personalized communication and the customer needs, and also maintaining a kind of a, what do you say, positive engagement with customers. Okay, for example, if you are visiting a bank regularly, okay, and the bank is sending you a kind of, like if you are a regular customer to a bank, and the bank sends you personalized offers. Okay, so what does this mean? The bank is providing a kind of financial advice. And also, the bank will quickly try to resolve the customer complaints. Why? To maintain a strong relationship. Okay, so for that purpose, we try to maintain the customer relationship. Coming towards the next, importance of communication skill in customer care and relation. Okay, as I already told you, the effective communication plays a crucial role in customer care and customer relations. It helps your business to build your trust, rapport with customers, and also it tries to handle complaints or resolve conflicts in very effective manner. And also it enhances customer satisfaction, loyalty, and it also improves your brand reputation. Like if you are visiting an airline, okay, an airline company with excellent customer service, they try to handle the complaints in a very polite manner. They try to offer a different kinds of solution to whatever the problems that we are facing, and also it keeps our customers very much informed about any delays that takes place with respect to the flight status. Okay, so how you are able to communicate with your customer That is very important. Okay. Next, we are going to see what are the key communication skills for customer care and relations. Okay. Number one is verbal communication. Then you have non-verbal communication. Then you have written communication, active listening, empathy, and patience. Already we have seen this. Verbal communication means, speaking in a very polite and professional manner. Okay, using a kind of respectful language, actively listening to understand the customer needs. Okay, like how, for example, if you're visiting a hotel, okay, the hotel receptionist, they try to greet customer with a very warm smile, right? They ask about their stay preferences, and it provides you with relevant information in a very clearly manner. So this is an example of your verbal communication. Coming towards your non-verbal communication, with the help of your body language, with the help of your facial expressions, with the help of your gestures, okay, or maintaining a kind of eye contact to show that you are attentive, okay, to the communication, and using appropriate tone, your what do you say, voice modulation changes, right? For example, a salesperson. Okay, if a salesperson is nodding and smiling with the customer while a customer is explaining the requirements, that means it is showing its interest and understanding. Okay. Next, written communication is coming up with the kind of messages, coming up with kind of social media, emails, or what do you say? When you are going up with the quick and helpful responses to customer inquiries. Okay, active listening is about paying full attention. Okay, to your customers without interrupting it, responding appropriately based on the needs of the customer. Okay, like a call center executive. They listen carefully to customer issue and then they repeat the key points to confirm understanding to provide with a better solution. Okay, it's just empathy and patience. Empathy and patience is something about understanding the customer's emotions and their perspective. Like being patient. Sometimes even it may happen, you will be having frustrated customers. So how you are going to handle those customers? That means you have to be very patient. You have to offer the solutions in a very kind and considerate manner. Okay. Many a times it happens. A receptionist, doctor's receptionist, they remain very calm and supportive while handling and shy and anxious patients appointment. Okay, like when we are going for an appointment, if we're not able to get it, like we shout at them. So how patiently they will handle our request. Okay, so this is very important. Coming towards next, that is handling difficult customers through communication. Okay, we know that not all customers' interactions are smooth. Some customers may be angry, impatient, or confused. Okay, so handling them effectively requires how you are staying calm, how you are apologizing whenever it is needed. That is maintaining a kind of professionalism without reacting emotionally. Okay, apologizing when needed. Like even if the company is not in fault, you have to show your concern because that really matters. You have to offer solutions. You have to provide alternatives rather than just saying no. Okay. And also you have to follow up, ensuring whether the issue has been resolved or not. You have to make sure your customer is satisfied or not. Okay. I'll give you a small example, like a customer at a restaurant. Okay. They complained about a delayed order. Okay. So in this case, what will happen? The waiter will try to apologize, ushers in that the food is coming soon. Okay. And sometimes it may happen just to satisfy customer, they offer a complimentary drink. Okay. This is their kind of a gesture. This gesture we call it as a goodwill gesture. Okay. This goodwill gesture is being offered only just to satisfy the customers. Okay. So these are the different ways how we can handle our customer where we are facing any problem, where the customers are very angry, where the customers are very impatient or confused. Okay. Now let's coming towards role of technology in customer communication. Okay? That is how the technology plays an important role in customer communication. Like how we have seen with advancement in IT, okay, with advancement in technology, nowadays many businesses they have started communicating with customers through their chat support, that is live chat support. In live chat support, you will be getting instant responses on website. Okay, emails and newsletters. Okay, here you will be getting a kind of a personalized message. Then call centers, that means resolving your issues over the phone. Okay. Then you have social media, where your queries are being responded on platforms like your Facebook, your Twitter, right? Like an example is like a mobile service provider. They try to resolve customer complaints on Twitter by quickly responding with helpful solutions. Okay. So this is how we are introducing technology customer and customer service. Okay, that is going on with live chat support, going on with call center, social media, or email. Okay, now here I'll just try to introduce some real life case studies of customer care. The first example I'll take it is about Amazon. Okay, as we know, like Amazon is for fast shipments. Okay, Amazon is known for its easy return policies. Amazon is for prompt response to companies. So this is one of the most customer friendly company. Okay, there is one more excellent customer care. The service that they provide is Zappos. Okay, Zappos is nothing but this is an online shoe retailer where they spend 10 hours on a call with customer just to find help with perfect pair of shoes. There was a customer who was facing a problem with their shoes. So they have registered a complaint and the customer service people immediately they responded. And in order to solve that problem, it took nearly 10 hours on a call. Okay, just to find them with perfect pair of shoes. Okay, like here we are just trying to show, I mean, how extremely the dedication is towards the customer care. Okay, so these two examples, like these are the very recent examples, I can say, live case studies where they go on with excellent customer care. Okay, so customer care and customer relationship, they rely heavily on your effective communication. Okay, so if you are able to master your verbal, your non-verbal, your written, your empathetic communication skills, then ultimately your business can enhance your customer service satisfaction, where you will be able to build long-term relationships, where you will gain a competitive edge. Okay, so this is how you are able to handle customer care. Now, next we'll move on to public relations. Public relations and communication skill. So, what do you mean by public relations? Public relations, nothing but this is a strategic communication process where we are trying to build and maintain a positive image of our organization. Okay, with respect to an individual, with respect to a brand and the eyes of the public. Okay, so these public relational professionals, they use various communication tools and techniques to manage a relationship with its stakeholders. Okay, it includes your customers, it includes your employees, media person, investors, and the general public. Okay, like when a company, if they are launching a new product, so the PR team, that is the public relationship team, they try to organize press release, they try to organize media coverage, and also they check on for events just to create a buzz around it. Okay, so in this public relations, first of all, we are going to see what is the importance of public relations. Okay, how we are able to help our business and individuals by maintaining good public relations. First of all, you have to build a very strong reputation, and also you have to build a public image. Okay, you have to gain trust and credibility. Okay, if at all, if your company is going through some crisis, okay, you have to handle that crisis and manage your negative publicity. If at all, if it is moving, okay, you have to improve your brand visibility. Okay, this can happen only through media exposure. Okay, and also you have to maintain good relationship with customers, or not only with customers but also with your investors. Okay, and also one of the important thing that is your employees as well. Okay, with this you are able to handle your PR in a very effective manner. Okay, now next we'll see what are the key functions of public relations. First, First, we will look from the point of media relations, crisis communication, CSR, that is corporate social responsibility, event management, and internal communication. Coming towards the first, that is media relation. Okay, here we are trying to build relationship with journalists, media outlets, just to ensure our positive coverage. Okay, just a small mistake of it creates a very bad name of our organization, right? Like how you have been coming across many people, okay, just with a small mistake, with a minor mistake. I mean, they will be spoiling that company name in a very bad manner, okay? So this is a very important factor you have to take into consideration. Next is crisis communication. That means how you are able to manage negative situations and protecting your company's reputation. Okay, because after a product recall, a company will issue a public apology. They try to take some corrective action to just to regain the trust. Okay, corporate social responsibility. What do you mean by corporate social responsibility? When we are trying to promote a company's effort to give back to society through environmental, through social, and through charitable activities. Like how this, what do you say, Tata company, they are very much good in this corporate social responsibility. Okay, like a technical company, they try to donate computers to schools just to promote the initiative through their PR campaigns. Okay, next is event management. Okay, there might be many events like press conference or product launch and community engagement activities. This is just to enhance the public image of our organization. Okay, nowadays many what is the manufacturing companies or the automobile industries, that is a car company, they invite the media and influencers to for a test drive. If a new model car is coming into existence, they just offer the media or the influencers for a test drive before they launch it into the market. Okay. Next is internal communication. Internal, not only external, but internal is also very much important. That means how you are making, ensure that your employees are informed, your employees are engaged through your newsletters, through your meetings, and some kind of motivational activities has to take place in order to motivate your employees, in order to satisfy your employees. Okay, like how a company they uses their internal newsletters just to update employees on achievements and upcoming projects. If at all, if somebody has achieve their target, to appreciate that particular employee. Okay, sending an emails to the person who is very much actively involved in completing their target. Okay, so these are all kinds of internal communication. And next just PR and communication skills. Okay, already we have seen this. Effective public relations rely on strong communication skills, such as your verbal communication, your non-verbal, then your written communication, your persuasion and negotiation, and active listening and relationship building. So already we have discussed what verbal, non-verbal, written. Okay, that once again I'm not going to tell you. Next thing is persuasion and negotiation. Persuasion is nothing but how you are able to get influence with the public opinions and gaining media support. Okay, and also how you are able to convince your stakeholders to support your company initiatives. Okay, a PR manager they try to pursue the news channels to cover a company's CSR activities. Okay, so this is a kind of negotiation that takes place and actively listening and relationship building. Okay, that means understanding the public concerns or addressing them in a very effective manner. And also trying to build a long-term relationship with your media people, that is your journalists, with the influencers, and also with customers. Okay, like how we have been seeing, okay, many of the in many of the sectors, like your hotel sector, that is a hotel chain, they gather customer feedback and they try to improve its services based on reviews. Okay, and whenever we are trying to order food something from online, based on what you will be selecting your food based on the reviews. Okay, how you will be selecting the restaurant based on the reviews. Okay, based on the feedback that is provided. Okay, so this also plays a very important role. Then crisis management and PR. Okay, that means here every organization they has to face challenges. Okay, okay. So sometimes these challenges it may harm its reputation as well. Okay, so how you are able to handle your crisis in a very effective manner, uh, that is very important. That means how quickly you will respond to the issues immediately. Okay, that means quick response, addressing the issues of the customers in a very immediate manner. You have to maintain transparency. That means you have to be honest and open to the public. Okay, if at all, if any, what do you say, anything takes place, any problem takes place, then you have to apologize. You have to take action. That is, accepting the responsibility and offering solution for the problem that was faced. Okay, then consistently messaging your customers, ensuring whether all the communication channels they convey the same message or not. Okay, so this is very important. Next is how you are able to handle your public relation in the digital era. Okay, like how we have seen there is a lot of growth of social media. Okay, so with this particular thing, the PR has evolved to include online reputation management, wherein we are going to monitor brand mentions, its reviews, and also how actively you are engaged in social media in order to build your brand image through your social media platforms like your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, okay, your LinkedIn, and also how you are able to collaborate with influencers for better reach. That is sending emails to your loyal customers. Okay, like nowadays, many a times we receive n number of emails or n number of newsletters. Okay, like recently, I received an email about a smartphone company. Okay, where they just try to send free devices to technical influencers to review them on YouTube. Okay, this will create a kind of positive buzz. Okay, in the eyes of the public. Okay, so this is something where we are going up with public relation in the digital era. Now, I'll give you small examples. I mean, real world examples. Okay, how effectively the PR is working. The number one is your Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola company. Coca-Cola has got a very positive branding. Okay, because they are using their PR campaign just to promote happiness and unity. Okay, that is share a Coke. Okay, share a book. They are coming up with a campaign like share a book. This is a personalized what which people see, where they are trying to create a strong emotional connection. Another company is Tesla. Okay, without advertising, they are just coming up with because Tesla they rely heavily on PR instead of going on for traditional advertising. And who is the CEO of Tesla? It's Elon Musk. Okay, so this Elon Musk, they try to frequently share company updates on Twitter. They try to generate media coverage and also they try to engage their customers. Okay, now next, we are going to see the differences between PR, advertising, and marketing. Okay, purpose. First aspect is purpose. In PR, it builds reputation. In advertising, it promotes products or services. And in marketing, it sells products or services. Coming towards the cost, PR is low, advertising is high, and marketing is medium to high. Okay. Control aspect. This is indirect. That means it is totally dependent on media. In advertising, we have a full control, and in marketing, mixture of direct and indirect. Okay. And the examples of PRR news coverage on a company's CSR initiative. Advertising, TV commercial promoting a software drink. Next is social media campaign for a new product. Okay. So ultimately, this PR is a very essential skill uh, for building a strong reputation of your company. So through media relations, through crisis management, through event planning, through your social engagement, they help your business and individuals to create a very positive image and maintain long-term trust with the public. Okay. Now, next, we are going to see about business communication and ICTs in business. That means including technology into your business. Okay. First, we will see what do you mean by business communication. But in the start of my class, okay, in my first class, I told you what is business communication refers to. It is nothing but how you are able to exchange your information within and outside an organization just to achieve business goals. So, with advancements in IT, okay, nowadays, business can communicate more effectively. Okay, using your digital tools like video conferencing, going up with social media, sending emails, newsletters, etc. Okay, like a multinational company, they use a Zoom app for virtual meetings with employees across different countries. So with this, how we are able to do it? We are able to collaborate or we are able to connect with each other with the help of an app. Okay, wherein meetings are taking place, wherein we are trying to, what do you say, maintain a kind of a collaboration. Okay, so this is all happening with your digital tools. Okay, now in this, the first uh, point that we look into is what is the importance of business communication in this digital era. Okay, first of all, this effective business communication, they have try to help you in making your decisions in a very effective manner where you will be having a collaboration with your teams in a very efficient and effective manner, wherein it also helps you to build your relationships in a very stronger way with your customers as well as with your stakeholders. And also, whatever the information exchange is taking place, that is very faster and in a very clearer manner. Okay, like how? So even small companies nowadays they are going up with WhatsApp just to communicate quickly with suppliers about whether the stock is available or not, or else if we are able to promote a new product, or else we want to introduce some new guidelines. Okay, so in each and every sector, we are just trying to introduce our digital tools, like how we are going up with the Zoom app in order to deliver my lecture. Okay. So even in education industry, in logistics industry, in hospitality also, everywhere we are just trying to introduce the digital tools to for effective business communication. Now, next we are going to see types of business communication. Already we have seen this internal communication that takes place within the organization. Okay, that is from upward communication. Upward is from employees to managers. Downward from managers to employees. Horizontal between employees at same level. Okay. External communication with outside stakeholders. Okay. Like outside stakeholders mean basically customer communication. Like a bank is sending an SMS alert about new offers to customers. Okay. Supplier communication, for example, a restaurant places an online order for fresh vegetables with its supplier. Okay. Even in public relation and company, they try to issue a press release about its financial performance. Okay. These are all your external communication. Okay. Now next is role of ICT in business communication. Now we are going to see about different tools. Okay. So here basically the ICT, that is information and communication technology tools, they refers to digital tools and technologies that enhance your communication efficiency in business. So some of the tools include your email and messaging apps. Okay, this email and messaging is used for quick and professional communication, like how Google will send order confirmation emails to customers to buy products online. Okay, video conferencing and virtual meetings. Okay, this will enable you to create your communication and teamwork in a remote manner, like how we have Microsoft Team app. This is used for company-wide meetings across different locations. Okay, we have even Team Viewer app, right? Then it's just social media and digital marketing. Okay, this helps your business to reach to a very wider public, that is a wider audience. Okay, like an example could be a clothing brand. They try to promote new collections through Instagram or through Facebook ads or through WhatsApp messages. Cloud storage. Okay. This will allow your team to access and share documents in a very secure manner. Going with cloud storage and file sharing, this will allow our team to access and share documents in a very secure manner. Okay. So for this, nowadays, going up with Google Drive just to store and share reports among our employees. Okay. Next is your CRM software. Many of the companies they are trying to manage their customer interactions and just to improve the service, they are maintaining a kind of a CRM software. Okay. Like how a telecom company. They try to use CRM software to track customer complaints and follow up with them. Okay. Next is artificial intelligence and chatbot. This will help you to automate your responses and it will help you to enhance your customer service in a more effective way. Okay. The e-commerce website that you are coming across, like your Amazon, your Flipkart, okay, your Alibaba, what are they doing? They are using their AI chatbot to answer customer queries in an instant manner. Okay. So this is how we are going up with ICTs in our business communication. Now, next is benefits of ICT in business communication. Okay. First benefit is the communication is more faster. The communication is more efficient. Okay. It will help you to reduce your cost. That means you can reduce your travel time. It reduces your stationary cost. Okay. You are able to reach the customers globally. Okay. That means your communication with your clients or your customers will reach us worldwide. You will have a better collaboration with your customers, either with your ICT tools or going up with remote work. Okay. And also it enhances your customer experience because we are using AI chatbot. We have quick responses. Okay. Like how many of the hospitals they are coming up with an online appointment booking system. Why? To reduce waiting time for patient. Okay. So these are some of the benefits. Now, what are the challenges? Main thing is security threat. That is cyber security threat where we have risk of hacking and or data breach. Okay. The next digital divide. Not all employees or all customers they have access to advanced technology. The information may be overloaded. That means too many emails or too many notification and messages. Okay, that becomes overloaded. There might be some technical issues like internet failure will be there. Sometimes system crash will be there. Okay. So these are some of the challenges. Now, what is the future of business communication and ICT? Okay. Nowadays we are going up with 5G network. Why? Because of fast internet. So that we can have real-time communication. Okay. We are going up with VR meeting. VR meeting is nothing but virtual and reality meeting. This is a more immersive online meeting, I can say. Okay. We are going up with blockchain technology for secure transactions and communications. Okay. We are going up with AI powered assistants, like in order to work with automated emails, reports, customer service. Okay. So in the future also, we may expect a hologram for virtual meeting instead of video calls. Okay. Like how nowadays we have this IT industry, IT software industry. Okay. So what are the tools they are going up with? They are going with the Microsoft Teams. They are going up with Power AI. Okay. Companies like Infosys, TCS, or Wipro. Okay. They use Slack or Microsoft Teams for internal communication. Okay. And there are some tools for project management like Jira. This will help you to track software development progress. And for data analytical tools, Power BI is used for market research. Okay. So this TCS company, They uses internal ERP system just to manage employee workflow and client projects across multiple locations. Next example could be this thing, Amazon, the Flipkart. They are using the tools such as your WhatsApp business, or they are coming up with digital payment system like Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay. Okay. A Flipkart customer team, they use a software and Salesforce CRM to manage customer inquiries. Okay. WhatsApp, they are using WhatsApp to take orders and update customers. For digital payments, they are using UPI, Google Pay, Phone Pay, just to replace their financial transactions, right? Even in banking industry, your SBI, your ICICI, your HDFC, okay, they are also using chatbots. Like your SBI, you use there. For ICICI, we have iPal. Okay. Nowadays, the banks are using video KYC, that is, know your customer, for remote customer verification, right? In industry, like how your Apollo Hospital is that AIG. Okay. They are online doctor consultation, 24 by laboratory. They are just so these are some of the examples where we are going up with ICT. Okay. Now, next coming towards like even the ICT tools that are used in colleges and industries. Okay. In educational institutions, they are going up with LMS, that is Learning Management Suite tools, like Google Class, uh, uh, lecture, online, you have your webinars, virtual meetings, even for digital library, you have platforms like NPTL, okay, NPTL, Coursera, where they try to provide access to ebooks and research papers, and smart classrooms or interactive whiteboards, where you have smart boards or projectors to enhance your classroom teaching with multimedia content, right? So these are some of the tools that goes on in the education industry. Then ICT tools in business. We have ERP software such as your Oracle, your SAP, your CRM software. Okay. Uh, Wherein we are going with cloud storage and collaboration. Okay. So there's ICT tools they have transformed in education as well as in business industries. That helps us to make our communication, our learning and operations more efficient, fast, and accessible institution. Okay, where we get benefited from learning and management system, video conferencing, your ERP systems, while business they try to use CRM, your ERP and cloud computing for better management. Okay, so this is how we have completed our all five blocks. Okay, so just what all the things that we have completed, types of communication and objectives of communication. of communication steps in communication process barriers, how to overcome those barriers, how to make your communication effective, then principle of communication we have seen. This was for block one. In block two, we have seen communication channels. Okay. Then we have seen dimensions of communication. Then we have seen types of communication. Then in block three, we have seen about fundamentals of business communication. We have seen the concept of seven C's, forms of business communication. Okay, barriers to effective business communication and solution, and what are the tools and technologies that are used in business communication and different scenarios. Okay, that is business communication that is taking your complete uh, uh, that you are going to mention in your CV. How does the report looks like? The structure of report, the format of report, and what are the uses of report writing. See how to prepare your CV, how a well-structured CV looks like. Okay, what are the things that you have to take into consideration while preparing your CV? Then what are the strategies for listening? What are the barriers to effective listening? Okay, how you are able to develop good listening about groups. Okay, then there's customer care and customer relation. Then public relation, relation, five blocks. So I'll just share my contact details in your chat box. Okay, so that we can just ping me. ID. If you have any queries, you can just ask. Yes, Muskan, you were asking about important questions. You just try to ping me on my WhatsApp. I'll just forward it here. Okay, ma'am. Is it clear to you all? If you have any questions or if you have any clarifications, I'm still here. You can ask. Okay, then. I'll just wind up my class over here. Thank you all for attending all my sessions. If you have any problem, you can just ring me on WhatsApp. I've provided the number in your chat box. And also you can send an email if at all have. Okay then. Thank you. Have a good day and wish you all the best for your exams.
Thank you, ma'am.